Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to use Bing Chat as a Greek translator. So, let's get started. Open up your browser and type bing.com. And if you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so before we proceed. Imagine the convenience of effortlessly translating Greek text into English using Bing Chat. Simply input your Greek text and type "translate this in English." Then press enter. Bing Chat works its magic, swiftly and accurately revealing the essence of the Greek words through an English translation. But our linguistic journey doesn't stop there. Even if your curiosity drives you to seek the Greek translation of an English phrase, the process remains consistently graceful. Just as before, author translates this to Greek, followed by the desired English text. Observe Bing Chat's adept response as it seamlessly provides the precise Greek translation. While Bing Chat's capabilities are undoubtedly impressive, it is important to acknowledge that accuracy may vary, especially in intricate contexts or with sensitive terminology. For important matters, considering a second opinion is always a wise decision. Thank you for joining us today. You are now equipped to explore Greek with the help of Bing Chat. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.